In this series, we wanted to tell you how to use the Callipeg software. As you know, the basic foundation of frame-by-frame animation software is pretty much the same. Just the interface can vary a bit. But to make sure this course is more than just an introduction to a software like Callipeg, we are going to work on an animation project together. Super simple, so you can try it out with me. To do that, you will always need a reference, and you need to use good ones. But how to recognize if the reference is good or not? A good reference is one that you need to keep two things in mind for. One is that you need to deeply understand what's actually happening in the movement. And second, we need to be realistic about our abilities. That's why we have chosen specific references, and the goal isn't just to copy the references frame by frame. We are just going to take inspiration from the references. If you want to copy the reference exactly, that's great practice too, but if you are just tracing the reference line by line, that's a bit of waste of time. Be careful how you are practicing. In many cases, tracing references is considered a valuable learning exercise, and there is nothing wrong with that. But that's not our goal here. We want to teach you a different method that allows you to take inspiration from references and create your own animation. Without wasting any time, let's jump right into introducing another software. On your device, you can install another software called Vizref. You can install it or not, but I use this software. To save your time, I won't explain this software in detail. Just do a quick search yourself to see what it's all about. Just to give you a general idea, I import my references into this software, Vizref. This allows me to organize as many different references as I want for a particular project in specific files with some nice options, and I can easily access them whenever I need them. For example, take a look at this walk cycle. This walk cycle we have, or this one, a little bit different. Pay attention that these are the steps that you will be working on in the final stage of the 12 principles of animation course that we mentioned earlier, which is creating some cycles for a character, such as walk cycle or run cycle and such things. In this course, we are gonna show you how to turn anything you see into awesome animation fuel. It's all up to you how far you develop it and make some details. You get to decide what you wanna do with it, depending on the kind of project you're working on. Check this out. When I add this GIF file here, one great feature is that I can use the toggle at the bottom to move forward and backward through the frames and perfectly check and analyze a specific movement. Pay close attention to the way the character walks, especially how they take each step. Take a look multiple times. Just to keep things clear, we're gonna start by breaking it down with a simple circle for the body. We want to just draw a circle for a body. And I'll draw a few straight lines to represent the character's leg and some details later. But for now, I'm focusing on the character's overall movement, not in details. Just pay attention, just overall. I carefully check the right leg's motion several times. Look, when it is on the ground, I just check the preparation between all of the elements. This is the most important thing, that you just don't pay attention where the leg is. It is important where the leg is compared to body. I can see how far the leg moves in relation to the circle. These are important. The angles are important. Just pay attention the relation between the objects. For example, a relation between leg and our main body, a relation between hand and the head, the relation between head and the body. In this course, we just need the leg and body, so just pay attention to the relations between the leg and the body. Pay attention to angles. Approximate 45-degree angle backward and the approximate 45-degree angle forward. To start drawing, let's split our view. If you are using an iPad Pro, this option is enabled by default in a setting. But if it's turned off, go ahead and activate it. Here, I'll tap on the three dots, select split view, and choose the Callipeg so I can see both apps together. I'll enlarge Callipeg and minimize the reference a little bit, positioning it next to a Callipeg for easy reference.